Hey, what's up guys? Jack and Matt here with Toasty DIY, maybe PCbros depending on where this YouTube channel ends up going, but we're about to deliver 11 gaming PCs up in Lexington.
So we're going to a VR arcade like startup that's not open yet, and we're going to be dropping off this super high-end rig along with 10 other gaming PCs that are over here. Let's go. Look at all those computers right here. There's a bunch of them. They're all at $200-$300. They're all pretty much mid-range gaming PCs that are going to be used in the VR arcade setup. And yeah, we got to load up Jackson's truck and drive about an hour to Lexington and drop them off.
In an hour back. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
It's gonna be a lot.
So why is he doing computers over like a Quest 2 where it could just be on its own?
So the Quest 2, I mean, and that's an economical solution because those are what, 300 bucks?
Yeah, I think it's 300 bucks for like the 128 gig, and that can hold about 10 or so games.
So the whole reason being is because he said the exact same thing I was thinking, because when he said VR arcade, I'm like, ooh, that might not work. Because I'm just sitting here thinking about like Dave and Buster's, and a lot of normal arcades nowadays are getting VR headsets, even though they charge like $5 for like 20 minutes of gameplay.
Oh, I know Dave & Buster's is $3 for one song in Beat Saber.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty ridiculous, and so I really think the main reason being is he said exactly what I thought. A person can buy one of those for 300 bucks. I mean, you can go on eBay and buy one for probably 200 used. So I mean, I think it's a big thing of like, it'd be like offering, you know, pay phones somewhere, right? Like they just don't make sense anymore because everybody has affordable options to be able to get these things nowadays. So he basically is going above and beyond. You're going 4D, so you're actually going to be inside of something that's going to simulate. There's one they told me about that's a jetpack simulator, where you're actually going to be like, you know, holding on to the handles. You're inside this big machine. You know, when you press the buttons, you're going to like be shaking and going up. And then there's another one that's going to be like a couple of race car simulators. So it'll be like what we have in the other room. You guys have probably seen it, you know, where you sit down, race car, but then instead of having a screen, you have your headset. And it's 4D, haptic feedback, vibrating, everything like that. I think he said it was like a diving simulator as well, maybe like a helicopter one. I remember he sent pictures, and I do have the picture that I can I'll ask him if I can show it, but we have a picture of all these setups in China, like where they're finished and now they're getting ready to ship to the place.
So yeah, we're basically just delivering the computers at this point and just making sure they all work properly. And yeah, I don't know if in this video, if we're gonna have actual footage of when it's all ready to go, or if that's gonna be a separate video or whatever, but regardless, we're getting these computers there. Gonna make sure they work, and yeah, there's a lot of computers. We didn't want to just ship them via UPS and FedEx and have like 2 of them show up damaged. So we might as well hand deliver them ourselves.
Makes sense.
You may be wondering what this computer right here is for, because it's different. This is the 11th PC. They wanted a high-end PC. So this one actually has an RTX 3070 and I believe a Ryzen 5800X. So it's a pretty high-end computer inside the 011 Dynamic, full-size. Matt and I built it on stream, twitch.tv/ToastyBros. But they wanted one high-end one that they are going to actually be hooking up. I think they said 6 Oculuses to. I don't exactly know how they're doing it, but somehow over network or something like that, they're gonna be hooking up 6 Oculuses.
Like streaming, you think?
Yeah, something like that. And they wanted to be able to have it all connect to one computer. So this one's actually be on display. These other ones, sadly, I mean, they look cool and all. They're actually gonna be inside of cabinets, so you won't even see them. And they're pretty decent computers. Are they 10-400s with 6600s or i3s? I can't even remember. I know that they were close to like 1,400 bucks a piece. So I think they're i5s. I mean, they're definitely pretty good computers. You know, NVMe SSDs and all that. But this one's definitely the Mac Daddy.
All right, let's go.
Let's do this.
All right, we're in. We're here.
A little underdeveloped at the moment. Looks like it used to be a yoga place, but as we're saying in the beginning of this video, this place is not ready yet. We're dropping those computers off kind of pre-game. You know, we want to be the first ones in, so
let's go.
Hey, I'm Justin Thomas. This is my place, The Illusion. Had the PCbros come and make us some PCs that are going to go in all of our VR machines. And I would highly suggest you guys use them for any of your computer needs. This is our selfie studio section. This will all be roped off and you'll come in, but these will be different experiences for different themed booths. Like the purple room right there will be a birthday cake room. This is gonna have a giant Barbie box in it that we'll make. This is going to be covered in LEDs and polyfill, like a cloud room. Oh yeah. And I made a moon chair that goes in it. So that'll be pretty neat. All this stuff is custom. We're gonna have a red carpet room here where you come in and it's gonna be lights everywhere and it looks like you're entering the Oscars. And then up here in our seating area, we actually have the rear end of a 57 Chevy being made into a couch.
Yeah, that'll be awesome.
That'll be right here for people to sit on in this area. We'll have our VR area here, so all of these will be covered in machines. through this whole area down this wall here and in the back. And in the middle, we'll have a 900 square foot 4-on-4 VR arena using the Oculuses. It's all exclusive gameplay that are custom made for us here at the Illusion.
And so will that be, I know you mentioned like laser tag, is it gonna be different? Like you have multiple options for the 4-on-4 or is it just one game?
No, it's 6 different games. One of them is for kids and then all 5 other ones, there's like a team deathmatch, or if you wanna go 4-on-4 or any variation of that in between, we can do that. The beautiful thing about that is in traditional laser tag, you have to do a whole build out when you want to change the space. And I hit a button. The developers I'm working with are customizing games for us exclusively, so that's pretty nice.
Well, that's super sweet. Well, we're definitely gonna have to get some more video once everything's actually set up and looking beautiful and all the computers are being put to use. So appreciate you guys watching.